Hey, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics, and in this video we are going to learn how to log into your TD bank account. First of all, open up any browser. I am using Google Chrome here. Now at the search bar type in td.com and click on enter. Now select which account you want to log in, either it's personal, small business, commercial or an investing account. This option will be at the top navigation bar. Now if you want to log into TD online banking, click on this button, or if you want to log into online trading, click on this button. Also, if you have not created online banking, click on this register link, and if you have not created online trading of TD bank, click on this register link. Now type in your username or access card here, and check this box if you want to save this information on this website, and then click on login button to log into your TD bank account. Or if you have forgotten your username or password, click on this link and follow the instruction to reset your username or password. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and comment down if you have any queries.